In today's digital age, starting an e-commerce business has never been more accessible, especially if you are working on a tight budget. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need a massive investment to start a successful online store. With the right strategy and resources, you can start an e-commerce business with little to no money. That is why in this very video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to start and run your own e-commerce website without having to break the bank. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel where I help you start and grow your own e-commerce website. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own e-commerce business but thought you needed a big budget to make it happen, think again. Today, I'm going to show you how you can start from zero. Yes, $0 and build a successful online store. So grab a notebook because we are diving into a step-by-step guide that will have you up and running in no time. Let's get started. The first thing you need to take a look at when starting an e-commerce business with no money is selecting your niche. This is the area or industry your business will focus on. It's crucial to pick something you are passionate about or have knowledge of, because this will make your journey a lot more enjoyable. Plus, it will help you stand out. To find the right niche, start by exploring what you are interested in. Use tools like Google Trends to see what's gaining traction. Browse Amazon bestsellers and check out what's trending on social media platforms like TikTok or Instagram. These insights will help you find a niche with potential without spending a cent. Let's dig a bit deeper. For example, if you are into fitness, you might have noticed that home workout equipment is trending. Or if you are passionate about pets, you could explore pet care products. The idea is to find a niche where you can solve a problem or meet a need for your audience. The second step to starting an online business with no money is to find free tools and resources. With your niche in mind, it's time to set up your business with the right free resources and tools. No need to spend money on expensive software right away. For setting up your online store, Shopify offers a free trial, and if you prefer WordPress, WooCommerce is great no-cost option. Both are user-friendly and perfect for beginners. Canva is fantastic for designing your logo and marketing materials, while websites like Pexels.com provides high-quality free images for your site. Obelo is great for dropshipping, allowing you to sell your products without holding inventory. Canva is super intuitive. Just drag and drop elements to create your logo or social media posts. Pexels has a wide range of free stock photos that can make your site look professional. And remember, these tools are all free, so you can focus your budget on other areas of your business. The third step to starting an online business without money is by starting a dropshipping or a print on demand. These models allow you to sell products without upfront inventory costs. With dropshipping, you list products on your site, and when a customer makes a purchase, the product is shipped directly from the supplier. Print on demand works similarly, but allows you to sell customized items like t-shirts or mugs without holding any stock. This is perfect if you want to offer unique, personalized products. Print-on-demand platforms like Printful or Teespring let you create designs for various products. You upload your design, and when someone orders, the platform handles production and shipping. Etsy has a free way to start selling without upfront costs. Now it's time to build your online store, which is the fourth step when starting with no money. Whether you are using Shopify, WooCommerce, or another platform, the setup process is usually straightforward. Choose a clean, simple design to make it easy for customers to navigate. This is where you need to focus on user experience. As part of some of the pages you need to have on your online store, make sure to include essential pages like the About Us, Contact Us, or Frequently Asked Questions pages. This helps build trust with your customers. Don't also forget to optimize your product descriptions and images to make them as appealing as possible. Also consider basic SEO techniques to improve your store's visibility. Use relevant keywords in your product descriptions and meta tags. This will help your store appear in search results when potential customers are looking for products in your niche. For this, I have a video link in the description down below that will walk you through step by step as to how you can create your very own e-commerce website. After setting up your store, now it's time to market it, and that brings us to step 5. Let's get your store out there. Marketing doesn't have to cost money. Start with social media. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest are fantastic for promoting your products. All you need to do is share engaging content like product photos, behind-the-scenes clips, and customer testimonials. You can also join relevant Facebook groups or Reddit communities where your target audience hangs out. Engage with the community and share your store's link when appropriate. You don't have to throw your store's link anyhow. Just be sure to add value and not come across as overly promotional. To achieve this, you need to create a content calendar to stay consistent with your posts. Utilize free tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to schedule your social media updates in advance. This helps keep your audience engaged and drives traffic to your store. The last but not the least step is to keep your costs low. This is where you need to stick to free trials and tools until your business starts to generate revenue. Reinvest any profits back into your business to expand or improve. Remember, starting with no money means being resourceful and strategic. And that's a wrap on how to start an e-commerce business with no money. Starting an e-commerce business with no money is entirely feasible with the right resources and approach. By choosing a niche you are passionate about, leveraging free resources and platforms, and implementing cost-effective marketing strategies, you can build a successful online store without a significant upfront cost. Remember, the key to success is staying resourceful and focused. With dedication and strategic planning, you will be well on your way to turning your e-commerce dream into a reality. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also remember to subscribe if you are new here. Enable the notification bell so that you don't miss my future videos. Let me know in the comments what niche are you considering. I would love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.